2025 Indian Roadmaster stands as one of the most iconic and luxurious touring motorcycles on the market, blending timeless American style with cutting-edge technology and unmatched comfort. From the moment you see it, the Roadmaster's bold and imposing presence commands attention. Its massive front fairing, signature illuminated war bonnet on the front fender, and deeply contoured saddlebags create an aura of authority on the open road. The chrome finishes gleam under the sun, while the flowing lines of the bodywork remind you that this is not just a motorcycle. It's a statement of freedom and craftsmanship. Underneath its elegant exterior lies the heart of the beast, the powerful Thunderstroke 1.16 V-twin engine. Delivering a wave of torque right from the low revs, the Roadmaster makes passing cars on the highway effortless and cruising at high speeds a smooth, almost serene experience. The rumble of the engine is deep and satisfying, resonating with the soul of every true rider. Despite its size and weight, the Roadmaster is engineered for balance and stability, ensuring that long-distance rides are not just comfortable but genuinely enjoyable. The 2025 model refines Indian's touring legacy with enhanced ride comfort. The plush, heated touring seat with separate heat controls for rider and passenger ensures all-day comfort regardless of the weather. The ergonomically designed handlebars reduce fatigue, while the spacious floorboards allow for natural foot positioning. Every inch of the Roadmaster's design has been tailored for riders who demand the best on cross-country journeys. The adjustable power windshield adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to adapt to changing wind and weather conditions in seconds. Technology plays a major role in the Roadmaster's touring experience. The bike features Indian's advanced ride command system with a large, glove-friendly touchscreen that offers navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, weather updates, and customizable ride data. Premium audio speakers built into the fairing and trunk ensure your favorite music stays crisp and clear, even at highway speeds. With multiple ride modes, cruise control, keyless ignition, and a full suite of safety features like ABS and rear cylinder deactivation for heat management, this machine seamlessly blends traditional touring comfort with modern innovation. Storage capacity is another highlight. The lockable hard saddlebags and spacious trunk provide over 37 gallons of weatherproof storage space, making it easy to carry everything from helmets and riding gear to camping supplies for extended trips. The attention to detail is apparent in every latch, hinge, and compartment, ensuring your belongings stay secure and protected throughout the journey. On the open road, the 2025 Indian Roadmaster truly comes alive. The suspension effortlessly absorbs bumps and uneven surfaces, making even the roughest highways feel smooth. Whether you're gliding through sweeping curves,